So this is a video on how to solve equations using factoring. So we're going to start with our equation. In this case, we'll use x squared minus 6x equals -8. The first thing we have to do is move the -8 to the left side, so that way it's with the rest of the equation, not off by itself over here. So we'll do that by adding 8 to both sides, and that'll give us x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. And then from there, we're going to factor the -6, so that way it can add up to 8. We'll multiply up to 8 and subtract to 0. We'll multiply it and create 8 and then add together and create -6x. And so how we're going to do that is we're going to split it into -2 and -2x and -4x. Because if you add those together, then you get -6x, and if you multiply those together, or just the -2 and -4, you get 8, since negatives cancel, and 4 times 2 is 8. So we'll split that up to x squared minus 2x minus 4x plus 8 equals 0. And then we'll factor out x. From the left side, we'll factor by grouping, so we'll factor out x, so that way we can have an x right here, and then an x minus 2. And then from the right side, we'll factor out -4, so we'll have minus 4 x minus 2. So that way we can have x minus 2 and x minus 2 in both sides. If you factor it out wrong, you won't get this. Or, well, you want to have both of these parentheses to be the same. They'll have the same thing on the insides. The outsides don't matter, that'll be its own thing, but these insides have to be the same, otherwise the equation will be wrong in the end. Because now you'll get rid of one of these and have x minus 2 and x minus 4. You'll take these and make them their own thing to get x minus 4 equals 0. And then you can solve each of these on their own. So you'll do x minus 2 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. Oh, x minus 4 equals 0. And then from here, you can add this 4 to the right and add this 2 to the right, so then you'll end up with x equals 2 and x equals 4. And that's the final answer. There you go. That's how to solve equations via whatever this is. That's how to solve equations via factoring.